at my tummy.
Guys, the cactus blossom.
It tastes like grandma sauce. So the food is in. Big bag, big bag, big bag. I got a half slab, a loaded baked potato. Look at it, looks so good. Some butter corn. I already showed y'all this. It's a cactus blossom, ain't nothing special. And my friend, he got the mushroom jack. What is it? Burger? Sandwich? Chicken sandwich and some cheese fries. Huh? You passing this up? Thank you. Look at my place, Big Back Chronicles. Yeah, he's trying to be Big Back number 2. Yummy. Salty, but I'll be okay. Yeah, that's what it is. Okay. You're trying to stuff my face. This corn is really good. It's butter corn, alright, because it's very buttery. It's good. Everything's 9.5. Yeah, full. Me too. We ate earlier. We had a breakfast though, like I know, at like 8.
Like 7.
I think it was like 7:30. Yeah. We started early. Woke up early. I need a back massage. This is really, really good. You just gotta go in your YouTube studio, edit, and repost it, I believe. Yeah. You need me to help you with it? You gonna do it too? Like stream? Peanut.